What's that, Rain? Show it.
It's open. What's inside?
Let's open and see what's inside.
Okay.
Ray will open her two crazy toys.
Yes.
Yay! So we will attach the nut and the bolt on the wood. First, we will insert the bolt and then we will lock it with a nut. Like this.
It's a handsaw.
It's not a handsaw.
Yes, it's a handsaw.
Show your handsaw. Show your handsaw. How do you use it? You use it to cut the wood.
That's right.
Oh, use your handsaw. Use it, use it. Rigid pipe wrench. What do you call that?
Baby white wrench.
Yay!
Would you find your wrench, Mom?
For pipe plumbing. We use the rigid pipe wrench. What's that?
It's a pliers.
You show your flyer. Show your flyer. Put it there. Wow. How do you use your flyer? Like this. Let's try it here. Twist, twist, twist.
Without a screwdriver.
A screwdriver.
Without a screwdriver.
Screwdriver goes along with a screw.
Twist.
Yes, you twist, 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 twist. Yes.
Yeah. Last
Yes, is the...
wheel.
Show your drill. Show it to them. Drill. Wow, Rain has many toys.
Wheel.
Yeah. Drill. How do you use it? You show them how do you use it. Good job. Yes, that's how you use it. You use it to dig a hole, a small hole.
With that.
Show your hammer. Show your hammer. First, you got the hammer. Yes. That's how you use the hammer. You hammer the nail. Hammer goes with the nail. What else do you have? What's that?
Ooh. Ooh. Yes.
Rain, you twist it. Twist. Are you a little engineer, Rain?
Yes, I know we do it.
play together.
Yes.
Oh, wow! Rain is wearing a goggles.
No, I'm a stupid diver.
You're a scuba diver. You use that to protect your eyes. How many toes do you have? Count how many toes do you have? Rain has a drill, a handsaw, a screwdriver. What's that?
A plier.
A plier, a rigid pipe wrench,
And a hammer.
and a hammer. Plus the nuts, bolt, and
A wood.
piece of wood. Yes. So Rain has, count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay! 10 pieces of tools. Plus, what's this? The one you're wearing. What do you call that?
Tita-tata.
Goggles. Plier starts with the letter
P.
P. How about the drill? Drill starts with the letter
E.
D. Handsaw starts with the letter
A.
A. Screw starts with the letter
S.
S. Yes. Good job. How about this? The nut starts with the letter
N.
N. How about this? Bolt starts with the letter
B.
B. And this wood, piece of wood. Wood starts with W. Good job.
Was it that fun?
Yes. It's fun. Do you like your tights?
See you on RHEIN'S next video.